Jai Srimanarayana. Both of them started joining their hands together, and they were kind of in an emotional state. At that time, while looking at that scene, all the people are moving to Roma Harshanam, goosebumps. Vismitaha Sangamam Prekshya Samaveta Maharshayaha. Not only the citizens of Ayodhya, but also all great sages also feeling so happy to see such a great togetherness of Rama and Bharata, and having them very close to each other and having such kind of emotional state over there. Then all the rishis, siddhas, maharshis, mahatmas, all of them started appreciating both brothers. Now they are saying that sadhanyo yasya putrau, Dasaratha Maharaju, who gave birth to both of you, who gave birth to all your brothers, is such a really blessed man. And they are saying that, O Rama, O Bharata, we heard both of your conversation. We heard both of your dialogue. Now, please listen to us, Bharata. Actually, these all Maharshis were craving to see Ravana's Vadha, Desagriva Vadhaishinaha. These are the Maharshis who are willing to see Ravana Vadha. Now these Maharshis saying to Bharata, saying that, "Oh Bharata, if you want your father's soul to be in the peace, then grahyam Ramasya Vakyam." Whatever Rama said, you have to be doing that now. We all want to see that entire universe recognizes Rama as the one who stands on his word which is given to his father. So Bharata, you please go ahead and do whatever Rama said. Like that all of them said and started leaving, departing to their own places. Gandharvaha Samaharshayaha Rajarshayaschaiva Tada Sarve Swam Gatim Gataha. While all of them started leaving, Rama giving them send off with so much of devotion and respect towards them. All of them left. Then Bharata is feeling so down because his desire, his wish is not fulfilled. Now again he is addressing back to Sri Ramachandra Swami with folded hands. Krutanjalihi idam vakyam raghavam punarabravit. Again saying to Rama that, "Oh Rama, please follow whatever the tradition coming in our dynasty from generations and generations, that eldest son has to take care of the kingdom. Please follow that. Oh Rama, please fulfill my wish. I cannot rule the kingdom by myself, Rama." And suddenly, immediately, Bharata fell on the feet of Sri Ramachandra Swami and started begging, "Bhratuhu padayoho bharatastada." While falling on the feet of Rama, again Bharata started begging Rama to come back. Sri Ramachandra Swami, who is Neelameghasyama, Sri Ramachandra Swami, Nalina Patraksham, who has divine lotus-like eyes, such Ramachandra Swami, now taking Bharata, tam anke bhrataram krutva, having Bharata sitting in his lap, Sri Ramachandra Swami addressing to Bharata, While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.